and cheap drones that could overwhelm billion-dollar air defense networks. Not to be outdone, the U.S. is also exploring unmanned drone mothership concepts. In a November article, Sandbox reported that in October, the U.S. released a solicitation for an attritable U-times big mothership, a UMS, an unmanned ship that can carry a 20-foot shipping container that could launch unidentified drone platforms. China has unveiled a drone carrier mothership, a new type of warship that could change the military balance in a conflict over Taiwan. Last week, the Warzone reported that China has just put into service a catamaran drone mini-carrier as part of an experimental naval training force. The source notes that the warship could simulate enemy drone swarms, high-volume anti-ship missile strikes, and distributed electronic warfare attacks. The source cites a short clip from China's Central Television briefly showing the forward section of the catamaran, with 5 landing spots for helicopter-type drones. 2 types of tandem rotor drones can be seen in the China Central Television clip, which it notes may be military variants of the ZC Aviation ZC-300 drone, which comes in agricultural and firefighting variants. It also states that military versions of the ZC-300 can be equipped with laser imaging sensors and small radars for oceanographic tasks. In terms of utility, the Warzone reported in a November 2021 article that small drone carriers could operate as a part of a larger surface action group to direct drone swarms against shore targets or air defenses, allowing more traditional capabilities to be used more effectively. The source says drone swarms can confuse enemy defenses, forcing an adversary to mount a weak defense by wasting limited ammunition and costly missiles at disposable targets. It also says that networked drone swarms have immense flexibility, since individual drones can be equipped with specialized payloads such as sensors, electronic warfare systems, or explosive warheads. On May 18th at the Guangzhou shipyard, the world's first large-scale unmanned aerial vehicle system mothership Zhuhai Cloud was successfully launched, with autonomous navigation and intelligence.